Welcome to Lesson 5. Marketing and customer service get the spotlight, but some of the biggest time savings hide in the boring stuff. Meeting notes, paperwork, scheduling, and the endless copying of information from one app to another. This is the behind the scenes work that doesn't grow your business but somehow fills your week. In this lesson, I'll show you how AI can take meeting notes for you, help you handle documents, tame your calendar and inbox, and even connect your apps so tasks happen automatically. This is where you quietly reclaim hours. Let's dig in. First, let's name the hidden time drains because you can't fix what you don't see. There are four big ones: meetings and notes, the calls you have to write up, follow up on, and remember details from. Documents, drafting, summarizing, and digging through contracts, procedures, and long emails. Scheduling and your inbox, the endless back and forth to book a time, and a mailbox that never hits zero. And re entering data, copying the same information between a form, a spreadsheet, an email, and your CRM. Individually, these feel small, but together they can swallow 10 or more hours a week. The encouraging part is that every one of them is exactly the kind of repetitive, structured task AI is built to take over. Let's go through them with the right tool for each. Let's start with meetings, and this might be your favorite. AI note takers can join your video calls, record them, transcribe every word, and then hand you a clean summary with the key decisions and a list of action items automatically. Fathom is a fantastic free starting point. It joins Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, and its summaries are genuinely good. Otter AI is strong for transcription, including in-person meetings on your phone. Firefly's records and transcribes too, and lets you search across all your past meetings, which is great when you can't remember which call you discussed something on. The real benefit isn't just the notes, it's that you can finally stop frantically scribbling and actually be present and listen, knowing the AI has it all captured for you. Next, documents and knowledge. Two jobs here: creating documents and finding what's in them. For creating, your assistant can draft a standard operating procedure, a basic contract template, or a policy in minutes, and it can summarize a long document so you grasp it in seconds. For your team's shared knowledge, Notion AI lives inside your notes and docs and can answer questions across all of them, so nobody hunts through folders. If you're a Google shop, Gemini is built right into Docs, Sheets, and Gmail to draft and summarize in place. And if you run Microsoft 365, Copilot does the same inside Word, Excel, and Outlook. Pick the one that matches where your business already works. The win is simple: stop rewriting from scratch and stop searching for that one file you know exists somewhere. Now, your calendar and inbox, two daily battlegrounds. For scheduling, the simplest fix is a booking link tool like Calendly. Instead of trading 5 emails to find a time, you send one link and the customer picks a slot, with reminders sent automatically. For email, both Gmail and Outlook now have AI that suggests replies, summarizes long messages, and helps you write. Before you respond to a giant thread, ask AI for the gist so you're caught up in seconds. And a favorite trick: after any meeting or message, ask your assistant to pull out the action items and turn them into a to-do list so nothing slips through the cracks. None of these are dramatic on their own, but stacked together, they quietly remove a layer of friction from every single day. Now, the one that feels like magic: automation. The idea is simple. When something happens in one app, automatically do something in another. No copy-paste required. The leading tool is Zapier, which connects over 9,000 apps with no coding at all. Make is a similar tool that's more visual and often better value for multi-step workflows. And many tools you already use, your CRM, your email platform, your forms, have automations built right in. Here's a real example. When someone fills out your contact form, automatically add them to your email list, create a task in your CRM, and send you a text. That used to be 3 manual steps you'd forget. Now it just happens. Start with one annoying, repetitive handoff in your day and automate just that, then add another. To make this concrete, here's a starter map of automations almost any business benefits from. 1. New lead. When someone submits your form, automatically add them to your email list and CRM and ping you so no lead ever falls through. 2. New sale. When an order comes in, send a thank you email, create the invoice, and log it in a spreadsheet. 3. New booking. When an appointment is made, send reminders, add it to your calendar, and queue a follow-up. 4. After a meeting, take that AI summary and automatically email the notes and create tasks from the action items. The way to find your own automations is to watch for any moment you're copying the same information from one place to another. That copy paste is a flashing sign that says, "Automate me." Let's recap operations. AI note takers like Fathom and Otter capture your meetings so you can stop scribbling and start listening. For documents, use the AI built into where you already work, Notion, Google, or Microsoft. Booking links and AI inbox tools quietly cut friction from your calendar and email every day. And automation tools like Zapier and Make connect your apps so the repetitive copy paste just happens by itself. Add these up and you've reclaimed real hours, the behind the scenes time that was draining your week. Next, in lesson 6, we follow the money. We'll cover how AI helps with sales follow up, proposals, invoicing, bookkeeping, and simple forecasting, with the guardrails to keep your finances safe. This one's about earning more and stressing less. See you there.